Imagine you're in a meeting. You're trying to collaborate on a project, but the audio is choppy, the video is pixelated, and everyone's trying to talk over each other. It's a disaster. Now, imagine a tool that could solve all those problems. A tool that's easy to use, reliable, and packed with features that make virtual meetings a breeze. That's where RingCentral comes in. But here's the million-dollar question. Does RingCentral have video calls? Before we dive into that, let's talk about why video calls are so important in today's world. With remote work on the rise, video conferencing has become an essential tool for businesses of all sizes. It allows teams to connect face-to-face, collaborate effectively, and build stronger relationships. So, if you're considering RingCentral for your business, it's crucial to know whether it offers the video calling capabilities you need. Answering the question. The short answer is yes, RingCentral does have video calls. In fact, video calling is one of its core features. RingCentral offers a robust video conferencing platform that's designed to meet the needs of businesses of all sizes. Key features of RingCentral video calls. Let's take a closer look at some of the key features that make RingCentral video calls stand out. HD video quality. RingCentral delivers high-definition video, ensuring that you can see everyone clearly and in detail. Crystal clear audio. The audio quality is equally impressive, with advanced noise-canceling technology that minimizes background distractions. Screen sharing. Need to share presentations, documents, or applications? RingCentral's screen sharing feature makes it easy. Recording. Record your meetings for later reference or to share with colleagues who couldn't attend. Integration with other tools. RingCentral integrates seamlessly with your other business tools, such as CRM systems and calendars. Mobile app. Stay connected on the go with the RingCentral mobile app, which allows you to make and receive video calls from anywhere. Real-world use cases. Now that we know what RingCentral video calls can do, let's explore some real-world use cases. Remote team meetings. If you have a remote team, RingCentral video calls can help you stay connected and collaborate effectively. Customer support. Use video calls to provide personalized customer support and build stronger relationships with your customers. Online training. Conduct online training sessions and webinars using RingCentral's video conferencing capabilities. Virtual events. Host virtual conferences, workshops, and other events with RingCentral. Comparison to competitors. While RingCentral offers a comprehensive video calling solution, it's important to compare it to other popular options on the market. Here's a quick overview of how RingCentral stacks up. Zoom. Both RingCentral and Zoom offer similar features, but RingCentral may be a better choice if you're looking for a more integrated solution that works seamlessly with your other business tools. Microsoft Teams. If you're already heavily invested in the Microsoft ecosystem, Teams may be a good option. However, RingCentral offers a more standalone video conferencing solution. Google Meet. Google Meet is a simple and easy-to-use video conferencing tool, but it may lack some of the advanced features offered by RingCentral. So, does RingCentral have video calls? Absolutely. In fact, video calling is one of its core features. With its high-quality video and audio, robust features, and seamless integration with other tools, RingCentral is a great choice for businesses of all sizes. If you're looking for a reliable and feature-rich video conferencing solution, RingCentral is definitely worth considering. Want to learn more about RingCentral video calls? Visit their website or sign up for a free trial today. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.